Hello everyone! Today, I will be presenting the promotion strategy for Palms Inn Beach Resort, located in Nipa, Mahawak, Medellin, Cebu. Before the earthquake, Palms Inn was a peaceful getaway known for its white sand, clear blue waters, and relaxing palm-lined shorelines. It was a favorite spot for families, friends, and travelers seeking a quiet escape.
Peaceful here, where hearts align. In the stillness, love we find. With every breath, a song so clear. In this place, we're peaceful here. Among the flowers.
But everything changed after the 6.9 magnitude earthquake in Northern Cebu. The resort suffered major structural damage. Cottages and buildings were destroyed, beachfront structures collapsed, utilities such as electricity and water were affected. Employees and workers were displaced. Because of these damages, Palms Inn Beach Resort is currently closed and repairs are still ongoing. Our top priority is the safety of future guests and staff. Our first strategy is to show our recovery journey. We want people to see that Palms Inn is being rebuilt with care and dedication. Rebuilding cottages using stronger, earthquake-resistant design. Restoring the beachfront area. Cleaning, securing, and organizing the surroundings. By sharing this progress, we let future guests know that we are working hard to bring the resort back to life. The second strategy is to showcase what tourists can look forward to when Palms Inn reopens. Even if the resort is closed now, the natural beauty remains. Bright white sand, clear, calm ocean water, peaceful tropical atmosphere, stunning sunrise and sunset. By highlighting the beauty that is still there, we remind people that Palms Inn is worth waiting for. Another important strategy is communicating our commitment to safety. Before reopening, the entire resort will undergo full structural inspection, updated safety system, staff training on emergency response, and implementation of disaster-ready procedures. We want future guests to feel confident that Palms Inn will be safer and stronger. Palms Inn Beach Resort may be closed today, but this is not the end of this story. This is the start of rebuilding a stronger, safer, and more beautiful destination. We thank the community, our workers, and our future guests for their patience and support. Please continue to follow our updates as we bring Palms Inn back to life.